Hello guys, this is Dana Rose Marciano and you are in my blog. So for today's video, nandito lang ako ngayon para kausapin kayo, and I just want to share lang some of my thoughts. And sabi ko nga sa video ko, it's all about me. And now, ang masasabi ko lang, I just want to release all the negative vibes, all the low energy that is still in me, all the fears, all the doubts, all the anger, all the grudges, all the bitterness, all the sadness, and all the madness. That's all from lower version of me. For me to welcome all the positive energy, all the good vibes, all the high energy frequency, the highest version of me. I need that all version of me. Let go. I am releasing it. You are not welcome in my life anymore. You are just a part of my memories, a part of me that I want to see outside my circle. Hindi ko naman gustong mawala ka or malayo ka sa paningin ko, because lahat ng yan, I can use it into my advantage, into building into my newest me, my highest version of me, because I know the feeling of being betrayed, being judged, being bullied, anger, fear, doubts. And I will use it to my advantage so that I will be smarter now. And I can turn it into my strength, and I know the feeling, so I will know how to use of it, the learning that I learn from that, the memories, the feelings, the experience. Kagabi, out of nowhere, I was able to pass by sa isang live, and hindi naman ako din madalas na nagjo-join sa isang live, and madalas din hindi rin ako masyadong nakakaakyat sa mga live nila, but luckily I was being called, and kung sino man yung 5 tao na nagtulong-tulong, napahirapan ang buhay ko bago ko marating kung ano man yung prosperity beginning na nararating ko ngayon. I would like to thank you Kasi kung hindi dahil sa inyo, wala ako ngayon dito. Right now, masasabi kong hindi ko pa nararating yung gusto kong marating. But I'm now start living in the dreams. I am now in the reality of my dreams. I'm start living of it. I don't know who you are, but she says you are 5. 5 kayo. Thank you. Ngayon naniniwala ako na any challenges na dumadating sa buhay ko ngayon, any unexpected moment, most especially yung mga hindi magaganda, yung ginawa ninyo sa akin 2 years ago, ay isang example na lahat ng mga challenges ay isang redirection. I am letting you go. Kayo na mga matagal nang nagrerenta sa utak ko, sa puso ko. I don't know kung ilang kayo, but she said 5 kayo. I am still wishing you all the best and luck in this world because I believe in abundance. Hindi ko alam kung anong naging intention nyo. Why you choose yung actions nyo against me. But I still want to thank you. Because kung hindi nyo ginawa yun, hindi ko makikita yung other path. Kung saan nandito ako ngayon. I am happy. Kaya dun sa mga taong naka-experience ng na-experience ko before, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 1 year ago, just hold on. Maniwala kayo. Kapag dumating na kayo sa part na akala nyo hindi nyo na kaya, na akala nyo yun na yung pinakadulo, just hold on. Just hold on. Kasi yan na yun. Please. Please, stay strong. Malapit na. I am rooting for you. Sa lahat ng mga kapanood nito, I am rooting for you. Hold on. Malapit na mo dumating yung pagbaliktad ng buhay mo. Trust in yourself. Believe in yourself. Your highest version is coming. Believe it. More blessings to anyone. More happiness. Happy Chinese New Year. I love me. I love the world. I love everyone. Thank you, universe. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. More blessings, more happiness. And I am grateful and blessed every day. Thank you.